I'll tell you about the extremely wealthy. They differ from people like you and me. F. Scott Fitzgerald, the rich boy. It's accurate to say that rich people handle their finances differently than the rest of us. I'm referring to the 1%, the truly wealthy, the well-off, and the haves. They make, spend, and save money in completely different ways than peasants like you and me. They seem to possess some special wisdom as a result of their affluent ancestry. In this video, we'll talk about 7 rules to manage your money like the rich. But before that, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more amazing content. Let's start the video now without further delay. Number 7. Invest automatically. The rich invest. The buy and hold technique that so many people imitate has gained popularity thanks to well-known billionaire and philanthropist Warren Buffett. This strategy's adherents often invest because they have such a strong belief in it. They invest for the long haul and keep their money in place for many years. If they acquire solid enterprises, buy them over time, they're going to do okay 10, 20, 30 years from now, Buffett once told CNBC. We sought the opinion of financial advisor James M. Matthews on how we peasants may pass for Warren Buffett. Matthews, managing director of Blueprint, a financial planning business in Charlotte, North Carolina, advised, saving early and frequently and never stopping. Many of today's successful people began saving tiny sums of money and continue to do so despite the ups and downs of their jobs and personal life. Like Matthews stated, the most crucial thing is to begin investing, even just a little. You can actually automate your investing to get things going. Stash enables you to start investing with just $5. You can use this software to automatically withdraw a specific amount from your bank account on a regular basis. It directs your money into a collection of straightforward portfolios that reflect your values, pursuits, and objectives. Number 6. Get help. Millionaires receive expert assistance. Rich people have flying squadrons of stockbrokers, tax advisors, and financial planners working their voodoo and maximizing their wealth on their behalf. Outsource the things you're not great at, Matthews suggested. Giving others the responsibility they are not always best suited for has helped many people find success, such as managing their financial planning efforts. While you attend to your hectic life, delegating to a professional can help you stay on track and avoid making costly mistakes. We don't have $1 million fortune then. There aren't armies of financial specialists at our disposal. Consider using several free digital assistants for financial advice to make it more affordable. A personal finance management app is called Money Lion. It provides individualized guidance to help you save money, pay down debt, and build credit based on your income and spending patterns. Even getting into good financial habits is rewarded. Even points that you may exchange for gift cards to your preferred shops. Trim is a bot that will bargain for you to lower your internet or cable rates. Comcast, Time Warner, Charter, and other significant service providers are compatible. Using Facebook or your email address will let you sign up. Trim begins to work when you share your most recent bill. Digit is a platform for automated savings that determines how much you can afford to set aside. Connect it to your checking account and its algorithms will decide how much money to withdraw in modest or safe increments into a different FDIC-insured savings account. Just for signing up, penny holders receive a $5 incentive, bringing you $5 close to your first $1 million. Charlie is a computerized financial assistant that resides in your SMS text messages or Facebook Messenger. He's a money-saving penguin. Your choice, though Charlie is more fun and reliable on Messenger. By identifying your overdue invoices, cancelling unnecessary subscriptions, and reminding you to save, the bot assists you in finding free money. Number 5. Take advantage of tax laws. Millionaires take advantage of the system. They make wise investment choices that take tax consequences into account. They also put money into IRAs, 401ks, and 529 college saving programs, among other tax-free or tax-deferred investments. Make the most of your 401k plan to take full benefit of tax rules in your own life. It makes sense to contribute to a 401k plan if your employer offers one. It lowers your taxable income, putting less money in Uncle Sam's hands and more in your own. A raise is essentially what your employer's 401k match is. However, research indicates that after setting up your 401k accounts, the majority of us essentially ignore them. As your retirement savings increase, you should actually make adjustments on a regular basis. Bloom is a robo-consultant and SEC-registered investment advising service that will optimize and manage your 401k for you if you cannot afford a high-priced financial advisor. Your account receives a free initial inspection from it. Following that, it will keep track of your account for just $10 each month. Number 4. Invest in REIT or Real Estate Investment Trusts. Like any other publicly traded company, shares in a REIT that are listed on significant stock exchanges may be purchased by an individual. Shares of a REIT mutual fund or exchange-traded fund are also available to investors. In fact, almost 145 million Americans live in homes with real estate investments through REITs. Many of them have access to these investments through mutual funds and exchange-traded funds in their 401ks, IRAs, Thrift Savings Plan (TSP), and pension plans. The majority of pension plans, including those for teachers, firefighters, nurses, state government employees, and others, require real estate exposure through REITs and target date funds, which are popular in 401k plans, have allocations for REITs as well. An investor's financial objectives can be analyzed, and suitable REIT investments can be suggested by a broker, investment advisor, or a financial planner. A 2020 Chatham Partners study reveals that 83% of financial advisors advise customers to invest in REITs. Higher revenues, cheaper costs, and new business prospects are frequently the drivers of growth in REIT earnings. Higher building occupancy rates and rising rents are the two most direct sources of revenue growth. Growth prospects are also created via further property purchase and development projects, provided that the economic returns from these expenditures outweigh the financing costs. Number 3. Know your way around credit and debt. Millionaires are skilled at maximizing their usage of credit and debt. Someone who's used to handling huge sums of money, for example, would feel more at ease obtaining a short-term personal loan to launch their own firm. Alternatively, you might feel more at ease taking out a second mortgage to buy a rental home. Here's an example of how you can strategically use debt and credit on a smaller scale. Use a rewards credit card to make purchases of necessities. Each month, settle the card's balance. Earn back money. Here's a choice that we like. The card is called the Chase Freedom Unlimited card. What makes it famous? You can always get 1.5% of your purchases back in cash. Additionally, you'll receive a $150 bonus if you spend $500 in the first 3 months after opening the card. Hello, groceries. Number 2, keep your eyes peeled for a good deal. Millionaires can actually be rather thrifty. They may not be heavy consumers. To save and invest the difference, they live below their means. Like my father used to frequently ask me, how do you suppose to become wealthy in the first place? Sociology professor Rachel Sherman spoke with 50 affluent people who either worked in finance or had inherited millions as part of her study on the wealthy. The folks I spoke with never boasted about a product's high price, Sherman said in the New York Times. Instead, they joyfully recalled driving used vehicles, find great deals on baby carriages, and shopping at Target. They criticized the spending of other wealthy people. Use a few of our favorite tools to make the most of your money and your non-millionaire salary. You can use the program Paribus to obtain money back on internet purchases. Once you sign up, it will look through your email archives for any receipts. When it learns that you bought something from one of the merchants it keeps an eye on, it will keep track of the item's price and assist you in getting a refund whenever the price drops. When you shop at Ebates, a cashback website, you may receive 1 to 25% of the price of your purchases from more than 2,500 online merchants. An added bonus is that you can earn a free $10 Walmart gift card when you sign up and start shopping. Number 1, crack a book. Every successful investor makes a self-educational investment. You will get more knowledgeable about the appropriate investing strategies if you consistently make an attempt to discover new things about investing. Additionally, you won't make any costly errors. You'll be able to distinguish between irrelevant material and news with accuracy. Your choices won't be influenced by rumors, clickbait headlines, or the market expert shouting the loudest. To put it simply, your efforts to increase your knowledge will provide you with the assurance to adhere to the fundamental investing principles. Additionally, this procedure will naturally result in wise investing choices. Millionaires read for more than simply enjoyment. They read for informational purposes. And you're already carrying it out. Yeah, for you, and you. Independent millionaire over a period of 3 decades, Steve Siebold spoke with more than 1,200 of the richest people on the planet. He saw that they all shared a similar trait. They read for self-education. As Siebold noted in his book, How Rich People Think, walk into a wealthy person's home, and one of the first things you'll see is an extensive collection of books they've used to educate themselves on how to become more successful. Come on, we just had to plug ourselves. By reading right now, you're educating yourself exactly like a real affluent person. That's it, guys. Now that you're aware of the fundamental guidelines for managing your money, you may incorporate them into your daily life. These money management guidelines will undoubtedly help people become financially successful once they start using them naturally when they spend, save, and invest money. If you like the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Leave a like, share it with your friends and families, and jot down your thoughts in the comment section below.